Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a keyboard that promises to blend sophistication with gaming prowess, the Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 RX. We'll explore its design, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around to see if this keyboard is the right fit for your setup. Let's kick things off with the design. Asus has crafted a truly stunning keyboard here. It's full-sized, featuring a mix of sandblasted aluminum and high-quality plastics. The aesthetic is clean and professional, making it suitable for both gaming setups and office environments. The RGB lighting, centered around each key switch, adds a touch of flair without being overly flashy. The inclusion of PBT double-shot keycaps and an additional ROG-style spacebar for customization are thoughtful touches. Moving on to performance, the ROG Strix Scope 2 RX impresses with its RX linear optical switches. These switches are pre-lubed for smoothness and offer a 1 millisecond response time, which is fantastic for gaming. They're quieter than traditional mechanical switches but still provide that satisfying tactile feedback. The keyboard also features sound-dampening foam, which effectively reduces noise, making it ideal for both gaming marathons and late-night work sessions. In terms of features, Asus equips the Scope 2 RX with an integrated media scroll wheel and a multi-function button for quick toggling between settings. It connects via USB-C for a reliable connection, though it lacks wireless functionality, which might be a drawback for some users. Asus Armory software, while functional, could use some refinement, especially compared to competitors like Razer and Corsair. So, should you consider buying the Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 RX? Absolutely. If you're looking for a high-performance keyboard with a sleek design and responsive switches, it's competitively priced and offers great value for money, especially if you manage to snag it during a sale. However, if you prioritize wireless connectivity or demand extensive software customization, you might want to explore other options. Overall, Asus has delivered a winner with the ROG Strix Scope 2 RX. It combines style with substance, making it a standout choice in today's competitive keyboard market. Whether you're a gamer or a professional, this keyboard ticks many boxes. Just be mindful of its software limitations and connectivity options before making your decision. That wraps up our review of the Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 RX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, thanks for watching Product Critique.